guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. I wanted to kind of do this video for a minute now. Saturday morning, 11 o'clock, and I kind of been craving oatmeal cookies, and I didn't want to go out and buy my oatmeal cookies, so I wanted to make them. So I'm following this simple recipe on the back of the oatmeal box. I've made them before. They're really good, but I wanted to do them again. Since I've been pregnant, I wanted to do them again, and I also wanted to include my kids that are here for the weekend with me. And I'm out of breath. I am 32 weeks pregnant, so it's a little bit much. So I wanted to start. Come on, guys. Can you see them? If not, I'll have them stand one at a time.
Hey guys.
Skylar. Hi, Skylar. Thank you for coming to help, wanting to help in London. He wants to help too today, so say hi.
Hi.
So it's okay. So we're going to be making oatmeal cookies, and they're going to help me.
Yes,
and I'm proud of myself because it's like 11 o'clock, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm not going to let this tiredness take over my day today. So, because I'm getting hungry. I only had cereal, and it's about time for me to eat again. So stick with us as we make our recipe, and we'll be right back.
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to start mixing.
Then I'm going to do this part because I know what number to put it on.
So the first thing it asks for is a half cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter. Who is going to open up this?
Me. Okay, I'll do the mixing then. Because we put it on. Wait, two.
Always work over the bowl.
Yes. You want me to like take the whole
Take the paper off. No, he can do it. Over the bowl.
I'll put it in there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Next thing is we're gonna go for a 3/4 cups of brown sugar. So Sky, you can do this now. I'm just using regular brown sugar that I have 3/4 cup, if you can see. Yep. Just gonna scoop it out. I'm scooping it out for them, and they're pouring it into the bowl.
You did your job.
Simple. Smells delicious.
I know it does.
Okay, so Sky, pour that in. Make sure you're paying attention and put it in the bowl.
Goodness.
Okay.
Let's see it.
Yep. Heat oven. In a large bowl, beat the butter and sugars in medium. Okay, so we got 1 sugar. We need to do the other sugar.
I'm gonna do the other sugar.
3/4
No,
cup.
I'm doing the other. Oh,
No, he can do it. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to do white sugar. Just regular granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup.
I thought that was salt.
1/2 cup of sugar. I have it in this container. I'm just going to scoop it out, and London's going to pour it in the bowl for me. Okay, London. Pour it in.
That's much better.
Okay. All in.
Ugh. It smells like chili still.
It smells like chili. He says it smells like chili, but it does not smell like chili.
It smells extra good.
So this is what we have so far. We have our butter and our sugars in the bowl. Okay.
Honey, just stay back. You don't have to be all in it.
Boy, I can't do a video with Charla.
Just he won't.
All right, so now we are going to mix the ingredients together.
I'm gonna do that first. No, I'm gonna do it because I know what.
We're gonna
you can put it.
mix it until creamy.
Never touch it. Never touch it. can get stuck right in there. Oh.
Leave it.
Mommy, this steak.
So you're about to eat it and you're going to enjoy it. Then you tell me if it's steak.
It's blue. Never mind.
We're just going to mix this until this gets really mixed together. Gather it well.
Skylar. This is not good control. You're not home. You're just moving and
You got to back up.
oh, that smells good, yeah. Gotta control it now. Okay. Can you guys see? Okay.
So next we're going to add the flour and the baking
Soda.
cinnamon, salt, and that's fine. Okay, Sky, take care of this one, please. And then London, you can do this one.
What about the baking soda? All of it out. Let's see what happens.
Oops. Okay, so London, you got that one. Pour that one in. And that is 1.5 all-purpose. Now we need baking soda. Baking, you put that in. Then we're gonna get this one.
It's honey butter.
And the salt.
And make sure everything's hot.
Some people like to have salt. We don't really need it. I'm just gonna mix it again.
Look how white. Look how white it gets.
The last thing is gonna be adding in the oats.
Oh, can I do that? I wanna add in.
We're gonna add in the oats. Okay, you're in the way. You gotta move out the way.
Wait, what is that brown thing?
Okay, we're gonna add in the oats, and then the kids will drop it on the cookie sheet, and then that's it. I mean, that's so simple.
I know. Simple.
Cooking with kids is a little out of control,
I said that.
but we did it. So I'm just gonna mix it well at this point.
Some people use their hands to mix it.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing that.
Like they use their hands and like rub it together.
I'm not doing it.
No, because
Okay, so now we have to add in the oats. So this is pretty much, it's like a peanut butter consistency.
Ew.
Yeah, but it's not going to taste like peanut butter.
Yeah, that's good. Well, it doesn't look like peanut butter.
No.
It's white.
Okay.
No on the shirt. Mom, shirt.
What? Oh, I'm not in the shop, baby.
Oh.
Okay. You got the big cup.
Yes.
We need a lot of oatmeal.
Skylar, you take some and I take some.
We need to add a lot of oatmeal.
I like the oatmeal.
So
Chocolate.
I'll put it in, and you guys.
Okay, that does not look like
It's oatmeal. What do you think it is? You used to that processed oatmeal?
We usually have the packs of oatmeal.
Right, you're used to the processed oatmeal. This is regular Quaker Oats oatmeal.
Yeah, all I do to make my oatmeal is I don't boil it. I just take with water. Yeah, I'll take
okay,
it.
London.
Put water in it. And we don't do this.
London.
We just take over. So running out. All we do is.
Yeah, that's okay. Just dump it in. Good job. We need one more.
Okay, let's both do that, Skylar. No, I do it. Yeah, but then.
How about I do it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you do it.
Okay.
Whee! Whee!
All right. So now, guys, all of this is in.
And now we're gonna wait. Can we store it too?
Hmm.
Can we store it too?
Hmm.
Can we mix it?
Oh, it's very thick. It's very.
It's
tough.
hard.
Yeah. Like I'm struggling.
Look, it's sticking to the spoon. Yeah. It's sticking like it's never coming off. I never touch. If it's cooking, never touch food.
This was fun. You know what? Can you get me a big spoon over there? The metal spoon. Metal. There you go. Thank you. I need a bigger spoon.
That one.
This is not working.
You did that the last time you had to get that one too.
Right.
Because it wasn't working.
And then the next part is all you guys. I need you guys to.
Take our hands and mix it.
Well, no. You're gonna scoop it up with a scooper
Yay!
and put it on the cookie sheet.
Yay! What, is it 2 scoopers?
You can do it with a spoon. We can use spoons.
I'll just...
Okay. This was pretty tough. My strength, and you guys all know from my pregnancy vlogs that my strength in my hands are a little crazy right now, so this was kind of hard for me, honestly, to mix all this stuff in. I'm going to do this best I can.
A little sticky. So, which spoons or mixer? Wait, I can use the mixer. Scooping with this one.
Alright, so now we're just, cookie sheet is back there. We're going to put them in balls. The kids are taking care of that part.
And make sure, Scott, make sure that they're not stuck together. Yeah. I don't do that. Okay, now we're gonna.
Okay. Yeah.
Do this. We're gonna scoop it off and roll it into the ball if you want to.
Okay, so this is what the kids did. And we are going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes.
Yep.
I'm just going to put them in the oven.
Yep.
This is a cool shot of these yummy, delicious cookies. And I'm going to call the kids, and they went out to play for a little bit. They left me hanging. Let's try it. These are really good. Really good. You can add raisins in it. It says raisins are optional. So good. I have vanilla ice cream too, so maybe I'll make an ice cream cookie sandwich.
Hey guys, I just put from outside. It's really cold. If you guys go outside, it's really cold out there. I promise you. Okay, let me try this cookie. See if we did it right. It's delicious.
Yummy?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. And my tummy. Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Tell your brother to come.
It's good.
It's good? Alright, you can take it outside.
Okay.
And that's that. Everyone loved them, even my 16-year-old. So, guys, I highly recommend this for those cravings that you pregnant ladies have. I know that I'm going to enjoy these over course of time. I just put in the second batch. The only thing that I would say, I didn't add in the salt. Some people like a salt and savory. I didn't add it in. It's your preference. It says it's optional, but it was the quickest thing. I'm still standing. I feel good this morning, so I'm glad that I made them. So continue to watch. This was just a sporadic vlog. I don't even know. This was just, I don't know, weekend recipes with the kids and my cravings combined all together. So I'm counting down. Again, 32 weeks. And doorbell. I don't know who that is. 32 weeks, and yeah, so that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Comment below if you like to see more. This was the first type of recipe vlog that I've ever done, so I don't know. I'm just kind of like branching out in all areas before the babies come, and then I can't wait for the babies to come because then I can do more things creatively. So alright guys, enjoy your weekend. It's Saturday. It's a nice cold day here in New York, so I hope that you have a great one. See you then.